What's going on, you guys? This is Rider in Red, coming live back at you from Mississippi, Kentucky. Kentucky is the country and Mississippi is the capital of the country. Yeah. Today is a beautiful day in here. It's sunny, I guess. So, let me check the mirrors. I'm out here recording a vlog about this legend of a man. I'm talking no other than Niki Lauda, and I'm gonna tell you how this guy got to meet him in person. Yep, that's right, baby. That's right. You heard it, everyone. These guys in the Vectra, they also heard it. I mean, everybody heard it, right? So what I like about this story is that, first of all, we didn't meet on any racing event or anything like that. I was not on MotoGP and suddenly stumbled upon him. I did not go all, oh my god, that's a legend, oh my god. In fact, I acted like I didn't care. I'll tell you more on that a little later. First of all, I want to say may his soul rest in peace. And his passing away, which is a saddening news for me and for many others I can imagine, is the reason I'm making this video. I know he's been an amazing inspiration for so many. I know he hasn't had the easiest life from what I can imagine, but from what I can tell and my personal experience with him, he was an amazingly down-to-earth person. Thanks. Now, Ryder, you said something about not caring who he was. What do you mean, dude? What is this blasphemy? Alright, now calm your horses down. The thing is, when I was talking to him, I had no idea who he was. So this all happened in Monaco. Alright, now, I'm there, taking part in an art exhibition. Don't ask me why. That's a long story, but anyways, we're there. It's the second day of the expo, right in the heart of Art Monaco. They suddenly do this défilé thing, or whatever it's called. Basically, a bunch of hot smoking models showing off some clothing line or brand or what have you, right? And they're passing by our booth. I'm just there, standing in the middle, just checking them out, and I hear this person next to me is like, those are really good-looking girls, right? Now, this happened like 5 years ago, so I don't exactly remember how he was wording it out, but anyways, there's this old dude with like a sports cap and a jacket of some sort, and he had a kind of like a weird scar on his face and all that. But I mean, the good sir is talking about them beautiful legs of those chicks. Man, why am I stuck in traffic? Happens to me every time I try to do a plant vlog. Well, this is gonna be boring, but you guys gotta brace yourselves for the story. It's for the story, guys. So there's this person next to me, right, standing and is willing to engage in a discussion of female legs and butts. We're talking about butts. Both me and him go into the whole, well, amazing butts these ladies have, right? And I was like, why, yes, good sir. What about this lady? Check that lady out. So we checked their good stuff out. I mean, seriously, hot ladies, okay? And we just talk about them for like good 5-10 minutes. Then we're both like, well, that was a very beautiful discussion we had, good sir. Thank you very much. We shall repeat this some other time at our convenience. Right? So it's a very like posh conversation. Let me just scoot it over here. So it's a posh conversation between me and this gentleman, which I have no idea who he is. I mean, it never even crossed my mind. You know, I could tell he was a somewhat a. Oh, that's a good one. I could tell he was a somewhat a celebrity type person. But we do this whole conversation, and after that, my brother comes up to me. Is like, dude, what were you talking about? That you know who that was? What were you guys talking about? I'm like, well, we were kind of like discussing lady butts and legs of these models, you know. All of a sudden, it's like, you know who that is? It's like, not really. Should I? He goes, that was Niki Lauda, dude. I'm like, okay. It's like, dude, you don't get it, do you? That's Niki Lauda, Grand Prix 25, or what's the number? Freaking Formula 1 champion, dude. And I just go like, holy shit. At this point, I want to let you know, guys, that I'm terrible at storytelling. I'm good at starting the story, but when it comes to like delivery, the end, yeah, I suck at it. I suck at delivering the end of the story. Anyways, that's the story of me getting to talk to Niki Lauda about butts, because that's what you do when you meet a Formula 1 legend. Talk about butts. I'll let these ladies pass. Yo, what up? See, it's a heritage thing. First, I spoke about butts with the legend Niki Lauda, and now talking about butts with you guys. Okay, here's the deal. I want you guys to talk about butts. I'm talking about them butts, yeah. Let me know in the comment section below, what's the best butt you've ever seen? If you ever got to touch it, if you ever got to feel it, yeah. And on that note, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And this was Ryder in Reds and Niki Lauda's The Legends butt story.